Have you ever wanted a layer to scale inversely based on another layer's scale? If your answer is yes, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a quick and powerful expression that links a layer's scale to another layer's, creating a smooth, dynamic effect, where one layer scales down as the other scales up. To start, make sure you have your primary layer, the one we'll use to drive the scaling, and your secondary layer, which will respond with an inverse scale. And here's the expression to apply to the scale property of your secondary layer. Let's go over what each part does. Primary layer refers to the main layer, whose scale will control the effect. PrimaryScale gets the X scale value of that primary layer. minScale and maxScale define the scaling range, so just adjust these values to match the look you want. With this expression, your secondary layer will automatically adjust based on the primary layer's scale, creating an eye-catching interactive effect. Tweak the values to get it just right for your design. I hope this trick makes your animations more dynamic. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, a great life, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!